today I'm going to talk about delicious restaurant near my house. There are really many delicious restaurants, but my favorite restaurants are Korean restaurants and hamburger and chicken restaurant. First, I will be introducing a Korean restaurant. My favorite Korean food is bulgogi. The restaurant I go is a family-owned restaurant. I usually go there one time a week, and I go with my family. I like this restaurant's bulgogi because it has a special taste. It's not as salty, but it's really good. Second, I am going to introduce hamburger and chicken restaurant. I go here once every 2 weeks. I go to KFC or somewhere else, and I go with my families or with my friends. I actually like fast food, so I don't care about the taste when I eat fast food. In conclusion, I have many delicious food restaurants near, but my favorite restaurant is Korean restaurants, bulgogi or hamburger and chicken restaurant. Thank you for listening.